Hey, this is Rich from housebrands.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and today I'm working with my nephew Caleb and his dog Avi. We're going to show you how to replace outdoor lighting. We want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. All right, so this is the light fixture that we're going to replace, and it's like this giant beacon, and at night we have two of them on these pillars, and they kind of look like a monster looking at you at night. So this is a beautiful lake house, and we wanted to get new light fixtures that go with the theme of this house. And so these are the ones that we're gonna replace it with. And we think that looks very nice. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're gonna put a link in the description below to this. It's called the Quozol, and it's made by a company called Seaside Armor. So this is how the lights look now, and they're a bit bright and ominous. We have two more lights over here in the parking area. There's one there, and then one on the other column. And so we also picked out these two smaller lights. They're in the same family, it's just they're about half the size. All right, so one light has been installed, and you can see the drastic difference here. The old, like, spotlight, yellow light versus this real nice white soft light. So the first step to replacing this outdoor light fixture is we're going to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Right now you have to figure out how to remove the housing, and this one just has 4 Phillips screws on it. Alright, so now that comes off. This unit has just one center screw now holding it in place. Alright, this one's got this little bracket that I need to remove so I can get to all the wiring. Okay, this screw is in the mortar, so we're going to use this socket to remove it. Alright, now we can pull out the wires. And we just have the power is there, the positive. This is the negative wire, is the white one, and our ground wire is this bare one. So we're just gonna undo each of these 3, and then we will hook up the new light in the same order: black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. These wire nuts just turn, you just turn them and they come right off. This one has been wrapped with a little piece of electrical tape. There he is. All right. All right, so now that's all disconnected, and we're ready to connect the new light. All right, well, here's our fancy new light, and its mounting bracket is inside here, and so you got to take out these mounting bracket screws. And that frees the mounting bracket. Okay, we're going to try to reuse these big concrete screws. They have this all kind of tied up in here, so we'll just straighten it all out. And then, as I mentioned, we're going to do white to white, black to black. Black is the power, white is neutral, and this bare one is a ground. And we'll just tighten them up with using these wire nuts. And we're trying to make good contact with the other 2 black ones. And just twist until you can't turn anymore. And you can give those a tug, make sure they don't just pull loose. All right, now we just have to mount this back on the mounting bracket. So we've got to take all this excess wire and try to get it back in the housing, which is sometimes tricky. You do them one at a time and hopefully get them all back in there without dislodging your wire nut. I'm going to line up our screw for the mounting bracket. Avi likes to help us do all our jobs. Hey, baby. All right, this is a CFL. So all we have to do is put in our bulb and then we'll go turn the power back on and hopefully we will have a light. Hey, hurrah, the light came on. So means we did something right. So anyway, there it is. That's how easy it is to replace an outdoor fixture. Certainly a job anybody can do. All you got to do is remember to turn the power off before you start working with the wires and then turn it back on. And then you can see what a drastic update that is from this to that. All right, so thanks so much for viewing. And please subscribe. We have a lot more how-to home improvement videos coming out shortly. And be sure to check out this video.